All right, so when we're looking at functions, we can do operations on functions. So if f and x and g of x are both defined, then we have the sum, the difference, the product, and the quotient of two functions can be defined as follows. So we can take f plus g of x is just basically f of x plus g of x. Of course, that's the sum. F minus g of x is f of x minus g of x. Oops, that's the difference. And we have f times g of x is f of x times g of x. And f divided by g of x is f of x divided by g of x. And here again, g of x cannot equal 0. Okay, so those are the kinds of types of operations we can do with functions. So given those two functions, f of x and g of x, we're supposed to evaluate f plus g, f minus g, and f divided by g. All right, so first off, f of g. So first we're going to find f of 1, and then we're going to find g of 1. So f of 1, we plug that in, and we have 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4. Then we find g of 1. Well, that's going to be 6 minus 1, which is 5. And now we take f plus g, so 4 plus 5, we get 9. Okay? And so that's how we get it. And so this is kind of they might show you, and they might say, this is what you need to do. But really, all you're doing is finding f of 1, g of 1, and then adding the two together to get your 9. Same thing goes for here. Now we're going to find a minus 2 and a minus 2 plugged here, and then we're going to just take the difference. So doing that, f of minus 2 gives us 13. G of minus 2 gives us 2. And when we take f minus g of negative 2, we end up with 11 because we're taking 13 minus 2 and we get 11. And then our final one, f divided by g of 0. So we plug in 0 here and we plug in 0 here. So we're going to get 1 over 6. And so that's one of those easy ones. And so that's going to be our answer to this one. Okay, because whenever you get a 0, you can just cancel that whole thing out and cancel the whole x out. And you just have the 1 over the 6. All right, so that's all I have for this section. Hope that helps, and I'll move to the next section.